Shakas! Aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share a pin mail that I received. I made a pin haul over Instagram, I believe. Yes, Instagram. And I just wanted to share with you the items. And the seller is, I'm going to share their information as well. They are, here you go, Disney_Chris at Happiest Pins on Earth. They do have a blog and a website at that happiestplaceonearth.com, I believe. But yeah, you can look her up on Instagram and give her a follow. I will leave the link to her Instagram in my description box below so you can go check her out. But I'm so excited. This is the biggest pin haul I've done. I haven't bought a lot of pins, but yeah, so I'm super excited to add these to my collection. So they come very well packaged in the padded envelope. Oh, and they're all individually wrapped in padded material as well. Fun. And it says, thank you for your purchase, heart Disney_Chris. And they're local here to Arizona. So I got my package super fast. So excited. And maybe when COVID goes away, we can do an in-person meet or trade. But yeah, let's see what I got. Okay, so first, I am trying to collect this series. And so I was able to pick up these two. And I already have this one. So now I have 3 out of the 12. I have an extra one of these that I am willing to trade if anybody is interested for a set that I don't have. So I have 7, 8, and 9. I need, 1 through 6. And then 10, 11, and 12. But yes, these are from Bambi, and it says, if you can't say something nice, don't say nothing at all. Thumper. And then this one has Jiminy. Always let your conscience be your guide. And that's from the Blue Fairy. And then the one I already had was, it says, knowledge and wisdom is the real power. And that's from Wart. But yeah, so excited to add these two. And then, let's see what else. I like that they're all wrapped individually, nice and protected. They're all on their backers because they're from the parks. Look at this tink I got. So cute. And how sparkly are her wings. And then she has red jewels in her dress, her hat, and on her shoes. And the back has the trading pin emblem. And that's about all I can read. So I know some tips is that they'll have these, if they're real, they'll have these pronounced spikes on the side of the pin post. I mean, pronounced. So cute. I love it. Thank you, thank you. And then pass holder 2019. Happy Halloween. We didn't get to go last year. I was not a pass holder last year, although I was a pass holder in previous years. But yeah, how cool is this? I went to Halloween in 2018, I believe, when it was NBC's 75th anniversary. 75th? I think it was 75th. 25th. As a pass holder one, it would have been only available for pass holders to purchase. And, oh, it's really stuck on there. Okay. It's the little glue dot. Is that the word, glue dot? That's what we call it in the crafting world. But I'll have to mess with that a little more, not right now. But it does have the Mickey heads all the way to the end like it's supposed to. And then you can see it's limited edition of 5,000. And it was a pass holder pin. Yeah, so I'm very happy and lucky to have this. The next pins I got are a 3-pack. And they're all of Miss Tink. I'm trying to, you know, grow my Tink collection. I do have quite a collection of her, but yeah. Maybe I can do a series on my pin collection. Let me know in the comments below if you're interested in seeing that. If you collect Disney pins. I love all this sparkle. Let's see what else. Yeah, I've had to put myself in pin jail now because yeah, getting a little carried away. Let's see these two. So I did get a Oogie, and from the Halloween party at 2018, Not So Scary. And I don't think I have a Oogie by himself. But I do have a few NBC pins, so he'll just be added to the rest of them. He is a limited release. And it doesn't say what the release is. And this is the other. Oh, look at Lilo and Scrumpy. And this is a Disneyland Paris pin. How fun is that? I don't have too many Lilos, so I'm adding her to start collecting as well. And this is the last one, and of course it's my girl Mary. Oh, and it's a Disneyland Paris pin as well. It's a green pin. But look at her and the penguin. So I don't have any Mary Poppins pins. This is my first. So yeah, look at my score. I was so happy to get these. Thank you so much, Disney Chris. Yes, Coffee with Disney Dad. And I hope you guys are doing great. I'll leave the link to their Instagram, YouTubes, and website in my description box below. You can go check them out. I think they do live pin sales every week, I believe. I think they do. I hope you guys are having a crafty week. And until my next video, shakas.